Shiva. And look at these beautiful colors, my God. These pretty ones that they have in hand. That's the new member in the family. There is together, everybody. Absolutely, please.
चेक ये इमेजेस आपको मिल जाएगी।
ए भाई मोबाइल है।
So one announcement to make here about the price and availability of the product. So can you check this? Slide, please. The slide. Okay, this product will come in 2 packs. One is mini SC Fun Pack, which will be with 10 films, priced at 8,499, and it will come with 4 packs of films, that is 40 sheets, at 9,999 for 9,999, and it will be available at all the leading retail outlets and national retail stores and regional stores, as well as Fujifilm's D2C website www.instax sorting from 10th of July. Right? That's it from our side. We will open the Q&A session.
Absolutely, and trust me, Kriti ma'am, this is actually like a competition. पता नहीं लग रहा है कौन किसको competition दे रहा है. This is such a beauty in your hand, isn't it? Yes, such candy floss colors actually. All right, so the floor is open for our media friends with the questions. I request our media friends to raise their hand to ask their questions. Along with that, please tell your names, your media house names, and requesting you to please keep the questions to the context of the endorsement and the launch.
Madam, side please.
All right, let's have your questions.
Any questions?
Hello. Sir here. Sir here. Hi Kriti. Hi, my name is Ayush and I'm from Bazooka Media. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा इस कैमरे से आप पहली तस्वीर किसके साथ खींचना चाहेंगे?
पहली तस्वीर तो मैं ले चुकी हूँ मीडिया की. सबसे पहली तस्वीर उनकी जो मेरी तस्वीरें लेते हैं.
बट यहाँ से जाने के बाद किसके लेंगे, इसके साथ पसंद करेंगे आप?
I think इसके बाद मैं घर जा रही हूँ. सबसे पहले मेरे पपीज डिस्को एंड फीवी पहली पिक्चर शायद उनके साथ थी, क्योंकि दरवाजे में वही आते हैं मुझे वेलकम देने के लिए. Alright, thank you. Next question, please. Please raise your hands.
Hi, this is on your left, Kriti. On the left side, your left. Sohail from Mission Bollywood.
बहुत लोग हैं लेफ्ट में सर. आप तो हाथ खड़ा कर दो, आपकी आवाज कहीं से भी आ जाएगी.
Thank you. बहुत congratulations to you for your association. सबसे पहले तो इंडिया हैज वन द मैच, इसके लिए आपकी तरफ से एक बधाई होनी चाहिए सभी लोगों से।
Absolutely, I think जितना बोले उतना कम है. Everybody has been like super excited. Social media is full of it. Everyone in my house was really excited. I wanted to go out and party. Unfortunately, I couldn't. It's such a huge and a proud feeling, you know. And congratulations to the entire team. And yay, हम जीत गए.
मैं अभी आता हूँ कैमरा पर, पहले कैमरा को ओन करना हुआ तो मेरे प्राउड मोमेंट for everyone, you know. So if you remember, it was your very first when you owned your own money, आपने कितना personal कैमरा लिया हो.
I don't think I remember owning my first camera, but I remember the feeling of analog pictures जो होती थी, जो print करते थे, you know, that feeling of holding the picture, वो जब वो roll develop होके आता था और सब घर पे बैठे थे देखने के लिए कि कैसी आई है picture, you know, that feeling of not knowing how the picture has turned out to be and seeing it in the physical form was a very different feeling. You know, we used to make like scrapbooks at that point and paste all the pictures to have just memories with us. So that is the first feeling of camera and photographs that I have, you know, before the digital age. And I think this is a camera that kind of gives back that feeling, which, and way more instantly. You don't have to wait for the roll to develop anymore. You just click and you get it in the physical form, which you can place anywhere. You know, whether it's in your room, whether it's in a scrapbook, whether gifting it to someone. That's what I personally love the most.
एक टाइम था you know जहाँ पर पहले टाइम था जहाँ पर हम पहले प्रिंट हुआ करता था, फिर प्रिंट से मोबाइल पर आ गए जहाँ पर यूज टू स्टोरेज इन you know maybe to be a computer or phone. Again it's come on print. How do you see this and what would you prefer, like a hard copy?
पता है फोन पे कितनी पिक्चर्स हैं आपके, आपको पता है आपके फोन पे कितनी पिक्चर्स हैं? मतलब इट्स अनलिमिटेड और एक सेल्फी खींचने के चक्कर में कितनी लेते हैं हम लोग सेल्फीज, राइट? उसमें से कितनी तो यूजलेस होती है. So I feel when you want to go back to memory, sometimes it really gets very difficult to actually find it. And you know those really special moments that you want to treasure and just see. So I feel in this digital age, the youngsters and in general people, I feel are going back to the analog time, you know, to feel the preciousness of those moments. I feel I have so many of these pictures. And what I love is that they are very instant. अब आपको wait नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, आपके सामने वो picture instantly आ जाती है. I also sometimes have used it to, you know, just instantly take a picture with a friend and then, you know, a year later or 2 years later, you can write a special note on that film. There's a frame outside the picture. So you can write a little note and you can gift it to somebody and it's just really, really special, I feel.
Hi, Joe.
Alright, next question we have there. Please share your name, your media house
Hi,
name.
my name is Anand from CNBC. So my question is to Arun Babu. So can you talk a little bit about or give a perspective on the current state and future potential of the digital photography market in India and globally?
So this category is the highest growing category for Fujifilm India, and we believe that India predominantly is Gen Z millennial market, and we have seen a big shift, the trend towards buying such kind of product, instant product, because they relate to this kind of product. Because it's, as she said rightly, that this is an instant gratification or instant delight, and that when you tend to take pictures from your mobile, you keep it there in mobile, and then you see once in a blue moon. But then this kind of cameras, you can do wonders. You can make scrapbooks, you can decorate your house, you can gift it to somebody, you can make a Christmas tree and put it on it. So there are a variety of ways by which this product can be used, and we see a big potential in coming years. That's why this kind of an event is happening, and that's why she is there with us.
Again, for Kriti ma'am, I want to ask you, can you share any personal experiences with the products in the past? Like, have you owned any of the products in the past, as well as like, how do you think it fits into the lifestyle of today's youth?
Of course, I think it's very, very exciting when you collaborate and associate with a brand that you have been using, you know, and you own already, you paid for it, it's not monthly.
So it's just really a very good feeling. I recently told them that I had bought their, I don't know what the version, Mini Evo, yeah. The Mini Evo version, which is actually a hybrid of digital and analog. You can choose the pictures that you print. It's a really incredible camera. I love, when I travel, I love taking it along. I love also sometimes taking it on shoot. Yeah, we all go back to our phone and take a lot of pictures, but the ones that I take from that camera, I keep them in like a nice box, which I kind of treasure. It's like a memory treasure. And you can sort of tomorrow make like a scrapbook out of it. So that's what I do, and I've already owned it before I got associated with the brand. So yeah, I think all their products are amazing, and this one especially, I love the colors. I think all the colors are so vibrant and so fresh and so youth-friendly. I feel like you would love to just own it, like take a picture with the camera because the camera looks so good.
Alright, moving to the next question.
Hi Kriti, Kaka from Entrepreneur. My question